Pretty much all of us have seen one, and most of us have one. I am talking about a GoPro. A few months ago, I discovered that GoPro had a YouTube channel, and people do some crazy things that get featured on GoPro. So in this video today, I am going to be reacting to the GoPro YouTube channel. I created a playlist full of GoPro videos on my YouTube channel, and the first video we are going to be watching on the GoPro YouTube channel is called Backflip Over 72-Foot Canyon. So let's just watch this probably terrifying video.
Rider 13, Kelly McGarry. 3, 2, 1, Gary.
Oh boy, this is going to be very interesting. Whoa! That was like a 5-foot drop he jumped off of. I would never do that on a mountain bike. It looks like a drop where he's heading. Oh no, I'm scared.
But
how did he do that? He faced straight down. I would have front flipped off of that. Whoa, that was awesome. And the fact that he landed that perfectly is the most awesome thing. Look over here. That is a steep drop, and I bet he's gonna go off of it. Yep. That was probably 20 feet in the air. That would be terrifying if you didn't go down that hill slow enough, because you would have just been launched right into the cliff. Look at how many people are here. That's probably 200 people, and they're all cheering for him. That's awesome. How did he do that? That's awesome. Those flips are awesome. He went off the trail a little bit, if I were to guess. Wow, that was awesome. And not to mention, this video has 132 million views and 1.4 million likes, and I am one of them. Okay, so I chose the next video, and it is called Sinking a Mexican Navy Warship. And I've actually watched through this entire video probably in 2018, and it was pretty cool, but I don't remember all of it, so let's watch it. This looks really cool. This is going to be really cool.
Zona libre. 20 segundos. 30 segundos.
I am getting goosebumps just waiting for this. So that's how they do it. They have explosives. There it goes, it's sinking. That's kind of scary because you just see water pouring through the ship. I'm getting the chills from this. I don't really like this at all. This is creepy. This boat is sinking fast. Well, at least you can see through the water, because I would be freaking out way more if you couldn't see through the water. This right here kind of freaks me out, a sinking ship, but it's cool. Don't get me wrong. Oh, there's a countdown right here. Let's see how fast it goes. 1920. Oh, I can't even count because it's going so fast. This boat would be so cool to scuba dive to. It's still going. It's settled at 95 feet below the surface. That means scuba divers had to go 95 feet under the surface just to get the GoPro cameras. That's crazy. Well, that video was really cool. And for the last video, I am going to be watching a downhill racing video, and it should be pretty cool. But let's press play.
Remy, ¿estás listo? Saliendo siguiente corredor en 5, 4, 3, 2.
This looks like it would be so much fun. But it wouldn't be fun just to have your hands go like that, because you can tell how shaky it is from the GoPro. I really like that on some of these racing videos that GoPro has, people set up tracks like to go down actual stairs in a town. That's really cool. He must be going 25 miles per hour. Whoa, that was a far drop. That is way too fast to be going downstairs. His eyes must be darting everywhere because there are so many turns, and I don't know how he knows there's a turn there. He must have walked the track before. I did not see that there was a turn there. I would have just gone right into the bushes. Whoa, that was so cool. And do you see how many people are gathered around here? That must be like 500 people. And there are more people over here and over here. Maybe even more than 500 people. That was so cool. But anyway, guys, those videos blew my mind. And I might possibly do a part 2 of this video. And so, I'll see you guys next time.